Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing where the new Photos library will live and why that matters for performance. Make sure Mac OS is up to date and you have at least 10% free disk space. Otherwise, imports will stall. Once done, quit Photos and connect an external drive if you plan to use one. Format as apps or HFS Plus for compatibility. Make a QuickTime machine backup so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Then open Photos while holding Option to begin creating the library. You'll now create the library and bring your files in. Hold Option and click Create New, choose a memorable name and the folder or external drive you prepared, then confirm. Once the new library opens, import using File Import or drag RAW, JPEG, and video folders directly. Photos preserves metadata. As you import, create albums and smart albums to group shots by date, camera, or keyword. This lets you find images quickly later. Make sure to let indexing finish before moving large batches. You finish by configuring the library for daily use and resilience. Go to Photos Preferences General and set this as the System Photo Library if you plan to sync with iCloud. Enable iCloud Photos and watch the status bar for uploads. Once synced, verify albums and metadata are intact. If something goes wrong, missing images or crashes, quit Photos and relaunch while holding Command and Option to run the repair tool. If that fails, restore the newly created library from your Time Machine backup or the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.